Hey guys, this is Josh here with Trillium Wild Edibles, and today I want to share a video with all of you on how my regular videos are filmed. Now, I'm not going to be getting into every little detail, but just going through the basic process that I use when filming. So with that out of the way, let's get right into it. The first thing that I do is obviously find a plant to film. This is done usually by just going outside and seeing one in a stage that shows most of the identification features needed. In this case, it happened to be broadleaf dock. Once I find the plant, I will set up the camera to the height of the shot that I need, turn the camera on and adjust the ISO, focus, and any other menu settings necessary. After that is done, it's time to get the microphone set to the right direction based upon if I'm in front of the camera or behind the camera. Then I can start recording some of the video. So while I'm recording what I need, I try to ensure that I'm speaking directly into the microphone for proper audio because I have a shotgun mic, so I can't always see what I'm filming while I'm filming it. Hey guys, this is Josh here with Trillium Wild Edibles, and today I wanted to do an identification video on a plant known as broadleaf dock. After recording one section of a plant, I will move on to another section of the plant and do the same thing for each shot needed, adjusting the camera for the proper height, adjusting the focus, and things like that. Usually it will take me several different angles just to make a video, so this is done for each angle needed and every time I move the camera around. For a mid-angle shot, I have to adjust the camera differently than I would for a high-angle shot. And whenever we're looking at each node, it's important to pay attention to the base of the node where it connects to the main stem of the plant like we have here. When I get down in certain positions, I have to make sure the camera and microphone are in the right position for the shot that I'm shooting. This oftentimes requires me to be in very awkward positions for long periods of time. However, it allows for the shots that I require. It's not uncommon for me to change positions 5 or more times while filming a video, so there is a lot of adjustment that needs to be done during the filming process. And this also gives some people the impression that these leaves are slightly toothed because they can also have, instead of these large ripples, they can also have these very much smaller waves and ripples along the margins that give this slightly toothed appearance. Once that's done, I simply grab the files and import them where I need into the editor, making sure to cut and line up the video where necessary. If required, I will add text to the shot, which is done in composition, but oftentimes this isn't required for my normal videos. After making the required cuts, I will play through the video to make sure that it is accurate and it lines up good and there are no mistakes like coughs, excessive breaths, things like that. Then, after all of that, it's ready to be uploaded for all of you guys to watch it. So this is just a basic process that I use while I'm filming. It doesn't cover every little detail, especially for a lot of the videos that I have, but this is the basic general guidelines and process that I follow. I hope all of you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned something. I'll see all of you guys in the next video.